We got the water pit. Yummy. And I'm gonna crash. Oh my gosh, look at all the pollen in the air and on the trail. Look at that, it looks like snow. And it's all just fluff. Wow, it's beautiful. What a great day to be riding with Puppy. If it could stay like this temperature year round, it'd be perfect. Yeah, a lot of pollen in the grass. And here's the beautiful trail I love. And it's growing in good. On Pop. It's a beautiful day. Hope everyone's having a great day. I know this little bit of our day is good. Boy, they had these trails cleaned up nice. There used to be a garbage pile here. It's gone. And these signs are all up and maintained. It looks like by the Snow Trail Snowmobile Club. Maybe, but I believe there's more involved because these trails have been looking great on the res. I'm very impressed. All these signs are fixed. Look at this, it looks great. That sign's up. I don't think I've seen that one lately. Hump Up, aren't they doing a good job out here? Yes, they are, boy. You ready to go some more? Get some more swamp water? Hi-ya, Judge.